Yeah, the boys are working.
Hey, Juma F, Juma na F.
Family. Family, when you bro.
Y'all already my shit out. And that yes, I will for video now. Subscribe it. Subscribe it. Subscribe.
Good morning, families. We are here once again to carry out a window design. So the chiseling work is being carried out by Emmanuel. As I always say, we should avoid cut and paste. So you need to chisel the old plastering and get the block or concrete work before you start with your design in order to avoid dropping of the design. So always say avoid the cut and paste design. It's never the best. Thank you.
Starting the main work.
So we keep going. Like I always say, we start with the design like the way we do plastering. It's the mortar. We have POP available, so we just start with this way. So there we go. Okay, so keep going. Three top design, three top or three step top window design. So this is what we are doing today. So I'm finished with the first two steps. So I'm on the third step. So please keep waiting for the finishing. Please remember to avoid cut and paste design. It's never the best. Forget about the cost. Do the right thing. Do the quality one, so that it doesn't affect you in the future, where it will break and you'll be looking for another one again. Thank you. We are on with the down design. So here's how we go. As on the easy. We keep pushing on. Small. We'll guide there. That's how we go. Yeah. Oh. You can see how it's very well, so it's suffer more than a filter. You can see. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay. At the end of the day, they sort of achieved. It wasn't easy at all, but by grace, we've been able to go through. We thank God for successful work. God bless all. the end of the day, this sort of achieved. I can see it's very fresh, nice looking. So please, you can call me for your window designs. Thank you. I'm Abraham Sagbajra on Facebook. If you want my direct number, that's 0577 033 783. Again, 0577 033 783. You can WhatsApp me. If you have your own design too, I can do it. And if you want me to do the design for you, I have other designs, other dressing. So anyone you wish, I can do it for you. Thank you for contacting me. We thank God for another new day. We're coming to do window design. Window designing. So with mortar, normal mortar. Normal mortar. That's the mortar in the wheelbarrow. Normal mortar. You can see it's normal mortar. Okay, we are beginning the day's work. Normal mortar. So if you have something like this going to do, the place has been plastered already. You need to chisel everything out and get the block or concrete before you start with your design. There are mistakes that we used to do. Some people, they mold the design on the ground and they paste it on the old plastering, which is very bad. It doesn't last long. Maybe 1-2 years back, it will be falling back, it will wear off, it will be dropping off. So with this, you need to chisel it out and start everything afresh with the mortar. You can see the mortar in the headband. So it's not something that we mold on the ground before pasting it. So that is cut and paste. It's not good. That cut and paste is not good because it is mold on the ground already. So you can see the sack. We have POP in the sack. So POP white, normal. So people normally say POP is not good outside. Yes, it's true. If you use POP alone for outside and it rains on it, it gets, so it drops. But with this, we are mixing it with mortar, so it makes it hard. It doesn't drop. Make it very, very hard, and it makes our work very faster. So it's good when we use it to mix with the mortar. So after designing everything, you see, here's how it goes. So when you chisel, then you start with the way we do plastering. You start with it like that. So after everything, this is the result. This is the result. We're finished with the design. So this is what you get. After everything, this is what you get. You can see. Yeah, still on the process. So I finished with the surface one. I'm on the second surface. So here we go. The top design is yet to come. I'm done with the side design. So I'm not doing it. So if I'm done, you'll see how it looks like. So keep waiting for the finishing. Thanks. At the end of the day, this sort of achieved, I can say, it's very fresh, nice looking. So please, you can call me for your window designs. Thank you. I'm Abraham Sagbejra on Facebook. If you want my direct number, that's 0577 033 783. Again, 0577 033 783. You can WhatsApp me. If you have your own design too, I can do it. And if you want me to do the design for you, I have other designs, other dressings. So anyone you wish, I can do it for you. Thank you for contacting. Let me go around the building so you see the designs. So you can see all over the building. This is the design I did on the buildings. You can see all over. So this one's very nice, good, cute. You see, nice design. You can also reach me on Facebook at Sagbejre Abraham. Yeah, I used to work at the airport, so if you search Sagbejre Abraham, you'll see me with a plane, taxi rank, all over there. That's me, Abraham. So don't hesitate to reach me for your window design and doors as well. Thank you.